Well, shifting focus, no end to controversy surrounding the death of a 14-year-old Dalit boy in Haryana whose body was found the morning after he was picked up by the police for stealing a pigeon. Even though the police has registered a murder case and named 2 assistant sub-inspectors as accused, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar tried to dismiss the matter as a suicide. This despite the fact that the boy's autopsy report has still not been released. The boy's family claims he was killed inside the police station and his body was dumped near his house by policemen. 14-year-old Govinda was found near his home in Gohana on Thursday morning. Earlier, the SC/ST Commission summoned the SP of Sonipat and asked him to submit a detailed report by Monday.
थाने में शिकायत लेकर के एक परिवार गया है। शिकायत जब गया है तो उस समय दूसरे को बुला करके उनका फैसला हो गया है और फैसला होने के बाद फिर वो वापस घर चले गए हैं। रात्रि को सुसाइड होता है। सुसाइड का पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट अभी अनऑफिशियली तो जानकारी मिली, लेकिन ऑफिशियली उसकी रिपोर्ट आएगी।
वो कह रहे हैं कि पुलिस की पिटाई करने से इसकी हत्या हुई है, लेकिन कुछ कह रहे हैं इनका झगड़ा लोहारों से था, जो बड़े लोहार होते हैं गाड़ियों वाले उनसे था, उन्होंने पिटाई करी है। आप जैसा बयान देंगे हम वैसी कार्रवाई करेंगे। रिपोर्ट के दौरान पीजीआई रोक तक इसका पोस्टमार्टम कराएंगे। जैसे पोस्टमार्टम की रिपोर्ट होगी और इसके बयान की रिपोर्ट होगी वैसी कार्रवाई हम करेंगे।
इसके अंदर जो कॉज ऑफ डेथ है वो हैंगिंग है। हमने पुलिस से ये रिक्वेस्ट की है कि आप इसमें जो लाइगेशन मटेरियल वो हमें दीजिए, जो सीन ऑफ क्राइम की रिपोर्ट है वो दीजिए और इसके फोटोग्राफ्स वो अभी तक उन्होंने प्रोवाइड नहीं किए हैं। जैसे ही ये पुलिस प्रोवाइड कर देगी हम इसके बारे में हैंगिंग किस टाइप की है, एक्सीडेंटल, सुसाइडल, होमिसाइडल, उसके बारे में हम बता सकेंगे।
Let's get now out from our deputy editor Ashar Ahmed Khan, who's with us live from Gohana this morning. Ashar, how's the family reacting to Manohar Lal Khattar's statement that this boy committed suicide?
Well, the family is certainly not happy. They are demanding that a full inquiry be conducted. At the moment, an uneasy calm prevails. There is some sort of solace because those 2 policemen have been suspended by the district administration. There is a lot of attention which has come here, but we've seen in the last couple of days or so that 2 incidents happening in the state of Haryana has put a lot of pressure on the state government.
And Asha, we're also seeing a blame game play out between the Congress and the BJP, with the Congress accusing the BJP of trying to dismiss all these incidents of caste violence in Haryana.
Well, we've seen that in the last 2-3 days, all political parties have been gunning for the BJP, be it at the state or at the central level. The basic premise which these opposition parties, including the Congress party, are saying is that in the last couple of days, all these incidents which have been happening are a part of caste killing. While on the other hand, the BJP and the state government at times have been maintaining that this is not caste violence which is taking place, but this is personal enmity. So that is something which has become a bone of contention between both the political parties, and political blame game has already started, and we are seeing it being played out. In fact, in the previous incident which happened in Faridabad, we saw a lot of leaders of several political parties visiting that place.
Asha, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more ground reports.